to strona joannacholuj.pl, Viedmy w Peru. I oto co zrobiłam. Macie już wersję angielską. Tutaj naciskamy. No i zamieniamy to na angielski. Nie trzeba, oczywiście może Wam Google tłumaczyć, ale to chodzi o to, żeby to było przetłumaczone dobrze. I wszystko jest już po angielsku. Tak. Nawet opinie. Ta-da! Alright, so I just translated, I did the translation in English for you of my websites, Viedma in Peru, Joanna Chołuj. If you enter at the website Joanna Joanna Chołuj .pl, you can simply go over there and you choose English and everything is translated for you. So even opinions, so what people say about me, you can choose, look and read, and you've got all the links over here to the store as well. Here, if you choose anything you want, for example my foundation, you will go and everything will be translated for you. Yeah. So if you're Polish, jeśli jesteś Polakiem and you have your friends who are English speaking, jak masz przyjaciół, którzy mówią po angielsku, powiedz mu, że jest już tłumaczenie, a nawet właściwie mogą bezpośrednio wejść sobie na wersję strony angielską, czyli frommatrix2self.com. Everything is translated, so if you, for example, have a wife or a husband who is Polish and you just want to buy them a book, here are books. My books for a moment are in English, but I translated for you every section. So, for example, if you want to check the book and know what it is about and find out if it's interesting for your wife, for example, so you go over there and you can read everything about the book. Yeah, you just go on the book, click, and this is the comparative Slavic and Vedic mythology, for example, and here you have some description and all what is the content. Yeah, so that I did it for you. And there is also a store that I'm putting in Polish and English. It will be available soon. And the store is here, shop. So it's in Polish and English, and you just enter. If anything is not really completely translated, bigger descriptions, I will just forward you to my website where you've got the full translation.